Okay, this is the quick review on the Millionaire Focus Group Monenja Socks Cushion Bottom. FunHustle.com, Monenja Socks, FunHustle.com, FunHustle.com. Hey guys, I'm gonna do a Millionaire Focus Group Monenja Socks, FunHustle.com, Monenja Socks, and pull the socks out. Very, very nice. I really like them. Smell fresh too. They are stretchy. And as you guys can see, just look at that quality right there. Look at that quality. Millionaire Focus Group on both sides of the sock. Very stretchy, very thin. You guys can see, I don't know if y'all can see that stretch, but what do you think is stretchy right here? And then look at the bottom. Like the bottom, double cushioning on both of them. And I just feel like these are a very good sock, especially for the summertime. They're not too thick, not too thin, just right for your foot. So when you put them on, they don't make your feet sweat or anything. Very cushiony. And I feel like they are worth the money that you spend on these, because these guys have the best quality. And as you guys can see, if you look inside of the sock, you can see the XL. I got these in the XL. XL actually goes to what, bro? XL go to a 15, 12 to 15, as you guys know. So big feet people out there, you guys can wear. You can rock these too. Don't worry. Just don't worry. You can wear these socks too. XL in them. What, bro? I feel like these are very nice socks. Like, just feel how comfortable they are. Very squishy. And that was the last review for today. We also had a lot of other things that we have. This is just a small portion of what we have. Stay tuned and always tune in on the FunHustle website, FunHustle.com, FunHustle.com, and talk to you guys later. Peace.